Hello everyone, and welcome to Sveta's menu channel. Today we are going to make a semolina cake. For the semolina cake, we will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of semolina, 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of flour, 500 milliliters of kefir, 125 milliliters of vegetable oil, vanilla sugar, 1 packet, about 16 grams, half a teaspoon of baking soda, or 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We will divide the dough into 2 parts. In one part, we will add 2 tablespoons of flour, and in the other, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Let's get started with the preparation. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of sugar, and vanilla sugar. Pour in the kefir and mix until smooth, ensuring there are no lumps. Leave the mixture for 20 minutes so the semolina can swell. After 20 minutes, the semolina has swelled. Now add 125 milliliters of vegetable oil and mix well. Add the flour and baking soda, or if you don't have soda, you can use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. In one part, add 2 tablespoons of flour, and in the other, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix both parts until smooth. Now let's form the cake. Grease the baking tin with butter. In the center of the tin, place 2 tablespoons of the white dough, then 2 tablespoons of the cocoa dough. Repeat with 2 tablespoons of the light dough and 2 tablespoons of the dark dough. Alternate layers until all the dough is in the tin. Let's decorate the cake a little. Take a toothpick and draw lines on the surface from the center to the edges, or however you like. Place the cake in an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius on the middle rack and bake for about 40 minutes. Baking time may vary depending on your oven and the thickness of the cake. Our cake is ready. It cracked a little, but that won't affect its taste. Look at this beauty. Have you ever made a zebra cake? Did you make it with semolina or flour? I'm very interested. Please, share your tips and recipes in the comments. I recommend everyone to try making this cake. It's quick and easy to prepare, and the result is incredibly delicious. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up to not miss new videos. Enjoy your meal, and see you next time.